How to download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily download the WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. So first thing, head over to your WhatsApp, and once you're inside your WhatsApp, simply click on this button, three dot over here, and just head over to settings. And once you come over your settings, you will see the option called chats. Just click on it, and you can see the chat backup option. And once you click on it, just make sure you have selected your appropriate Google account from over here, and simply click on backup from over here and wait for some time. And once your backup has been created, just head over to your Google Drive application. Make sure you have downloaded your Google Drive application if you haven't already. And once you come over to the same Google account which you used for the WhatsApp backup, simply head over to this hamburger icon, and as you can see, there's an option called backups, and from over here you will see your WhatsApp backup like this. And as you can see, there is a WhatsApp backup from in my device, in my Google Drive. So to restore it from the Google Drive, what you can do is simply come over to your WhatsApp and just click on I button, and from over here simply need to click on storage and just make sure you have cleared your data and clear your cache. And once you do that, you just have to re-log in to your account like this. And when you do that, it will be asked you to restore a backup, and just click on continue and proceed with the further on-screen instruction. And that will be it, guys. So that is exactly how you can easily create or download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.